the window.
I wish I could hang out the window like South Africa.
This could take a minute.
Montreal, are you not entertained?
Alright, welcome to day 2 of LG Tour.
This could take a minute.
26, and look at that, putting the tire mark.
We got gangster merch. If you want to support what we get up to, and Jason in America doing his thing, representing the Aussies, grab yourself some merch, keepreet.com.au, head to the website, click the link in the description, grab yourself some merch. This is quality hoodies. These things last forever, high thread count, absolute quality hoodies. You will not be disappointed. Go get yourself some. Now back to the video.
No, we didn't have luck in the barrel wags yesterday. It's a bit upsetting, but it's a new day and it's a new vibe. So we've still got the car working just enough to hopefully get some fantasy battles today. We're trying to get a battle of the wagons with Josiah. We're going to check out the Shine because there's some spicy cars, and we're going to do a fat skid in the VL to show the Canadian what Aussie love is all about. I want to fill the car with YouTubers, G up the crowd. We'll see what happens. So hope you enjoy today's video. Yeah, that was some sick runs with the boys and girls for practice this morning. Now we're up with Josiah, the battle of the wags. So let's go have some fun and put on his door and hope we had no dramies. Let's get it.
Battle of the dad wagon. Who do you think has the better dad wagon?
I got the back seatbelts. We should have thrown a couple people inside during the battle. That's what I was saying earlier.
Jason, what do you think about that?
I'm pretty sure I could fit a lot more groceries without the back seats in there. So who knows?
Like a mom and dad thing going on now. What are we looking at for power difference? You just told me that you have a pretty stock powered BMW. What about you? Not so much.
All the power. Well, all power comes with zero grip sometimes.
More power comes more responsibility.
There you go.
That's it, and I'm copping that this weekend for sure. All the issues.
It's going to be Jason Farron from Keep It Reet in Australia to lead in Josiah Flays from FDF Race Shop. Battle of the Wagons, here we go.
Mr. Keep It Reet doing a good job getting all the groceries slammed in the back of Josiah. Doing a good job following in behind, getting ready to take the kids to soccer. As we transition through here, we see both of those power wagons sliding in. Josiah goes for the dive as he starts to push wide for our last inside clip. And will they crush the gigantic rear end of those cars? No, not yet. Maybe on the next one.
Maybe on the next one. Excellent. Here we go. As that Jason Farron jumps off the line, Josiah Falaise in the lead position. This is just for fun, remember, ladies and gentlemen. Josiah running up against the wall. Jason Farron should have the power here to reel in Josiah Falaise. As he does, up onto the bumper he goes. This is where Jason's going to start making those dives down the infield. Late dive, Jason Farron gets up close and personal right up onto the door of the FDF Race Shop E46. And look at that, putting the tire mark on Josiah Falaise's BMW. Hand out the window. That's what it's all about.
Okay. Was it Josiah Falaise? Or was it the Aussie man himself, Jason Farron? All right, everybody, give it up for Jason Farron. Congratulations, guys. Great show.
Known for burnouts, Dave. I've never heard of this.
No, Australians are very adverse to burnouts. They disapprove. They say they always leave every event quietly, graciously.
Politely.
Yeah, always put tons of silencers and mufflers on their cars.
Right.
This is very uncharacteristic to see Jason Farron absolutely lose his mind and do some big burnouts.
She's bloody warm, Gary. 240 Fahrenheit, that top one is, and 250 after the radiator, 260. That's hot. All temps not too bad, but my fan decided to stop working. Once again, that makes it worth it, having a sick battle like that. Battle of the Wags, take the win. Got a mark on the door too, pushing him around. That was good fun. Put on a show for the crowd, because that's what it's all about. Next up, time to get PSI 30. Your favourite car out there. Blaze some more tyres. Oh, and once again, my old man is being shot. Charge, Gary. custom voltage that you want. So I love the Haltech setup. So good to work with, and all their stuff you can work with on the ECU as well. All the functions. Just playing with the rolling anti-lag. Just been playing with that. Jesse set it up for me. So I'm not sure whether I try this or whether I put the trans brake on to just dump it. Anyway, get her sorted, get ready. I think it'll be on the live stream a little bit later. So hopefully around the top battles. Hopefully get in the live stream. I'll try and just film what I can. Enjoy. Yeah, boy!
Thank you for letting me be a part of this. This is gonna be fun.
I think the crowd will enjoy it.
Dude, I get to go do burnouts with an Australian and a fucking like it doesn't get more.
Gotta
like,
make sure you G out the crowd though. All hands out the window.
I wish I could hang out the window like South Africa.
Let's do it.
Oh, here we go.
There it goes.
Starting to wind it up. Let's wind it up, Montreal. Make some noise.
Oh yeah.
Getting the bounce going.
Oh, here we go. Oh, good God. Here we go. Everybody here thought, is that it? And then next thing, boom. We are smoking some tires.
This might be the longest burnout if he's on the 651s. This could take a minute.
Montreal, are you not entertained? That is some thunder from down under for your entertainment right now. Give it up one more time for Jason Farron from
Thanks
Keep
for
It
coming for the
Reet.
experience.
Man, I was sick. I love this car.
First time, we'll try again. I've got to remove the. I reckon it was cutting at 100 degrees. I reckon I must have made it a bit
That's
safer.
quite hot.
It's hot,
And
but
it's hot.
it's not. I reckon it could go to like 240. That's probably like 220 or
We'll
something.
put some methanol on this thing next time.
True. And enjoy that, boys.
Oh yeah. That was sick.
Oh, we got the window down. Nice. What did you say about my skid?
Yo, so I didn't know that it was on purpose at first, and the low RPM just like sitting there barely spinning. I was like, oh, is it just because he's got 4 people in the back? Like maybe it's not gonna spin him. And then you started, and then I could tell at like a certain point that you were doing for anticipation. But just like the build of just slowly building and then just letting her eat was sick.
It's a typical Aussie VL turbo thing. There's a viral video out there somewhere of a blue one doing it, just real slow at like the Summernats events.
Yeah.
And it takes ages. Like literally boost loading.
Well, it's cool too because here I feel like no one would. I mean, obviously they said on the announcement, but it looks like a grandma car, right? So like you see, like okay, what's this guy gonna do? And they're like, oh shit.
Once it opens up.
Yeah, it's like fucking sick, man.
We'll try again round 2. I think air temp got real hot and it started cutting early.
Yeah, but it's fucking, it's toasty out.
We'll try blow them off next time.
Yeah.
Oh.
Good runs.
We're back over. Got the barrel wags on display. Makes the Denofa stalls and got our stall repping down the hour. Should we go look at some show and shine cars? Sure. Alright, this is basically where it starts and it goes all the way around. This is a good start. 4-door Lovin', Blitz 03s. I reckon it's static. I reckon it's static drift car. Fat gangster. I love it. Oh, back around. We're not going to do every car, we'll just try and do a quick one. So I got the Golf slammed on the CR2P. Got the, what is it, Camaro slammed on 2 or 3 piece wheels of fat ass fitness. It's gangster. Challenger or Charger, I think, yeah, Charger on VSKS, premium. 30-fold. I think it's a GTT for sure. With all some GDR things, wide body. You wouldn't wide body a GDR like this. Subaru. I'm the worst reviewer in the history of the world, by the way. I don't like reviewing.
I spotted something.
What'd you spot? Come on. Look at the car. Yeah. Reppin'. Yeah.
Yeah.
32 sedans. Nice. The yellow OG Street. All the 4-door
The
gangs.
number plate's Big Bird.
No. Oh,
Dream. I wonder how much they are here.
so expensive. Looks like a very nice example.
Oh, somebody signed it.
Hmm.
It's not dash you got asked to sign.
Oh, maybe it is. He did say it. The S15 right opposite the gate. I think this is the one. Yeah, and he left it is the one. Damn. All right.
He wants you to sign. Are you sure?
Yeah. He said do it.
We'll just go. Might do it crazy big. He can rub it off if he doesn't want it.
Can he then?
I don't know.
Just go, take his pen and go sign.
I hope it's not a GDR, because I wrecked it.
Don't know. Alright, here we go.
Yeah. You got your VIP
Gangster Sean, what's that?
car. Your VIP car over there?
Yeah, he's nice.
Not slammed enough though.
Majesta, yeah, needs mass cambers. One day I'll do another VIP build. This is really, I like this styling, like the fat wheel, camber in the rear. Streetcar 32. I like it. It just keeps going.
I feel like a few
If you
people
want,
have
if
left
you like,
before.
if you like this sort of stuff, let us know and we'll do more. We'll do like a video dedicated to this sort of stuff. But there you go. That's the Canadian car scene in a nutshell. A snippet. And we'll keep going. We'll go do another VL skid because that's what you want to see. I gotta go poach some wheels off someone, so that's what I'm gonna do now. So see you in a little bit when we sort that out.
Alright boys, are on. We got some BMW wheels. I forgot that pattern is the same as Holden or Chev or whatever you want to call it. Hooked us up with the accelerators. Should be able to blaze them or up the pressure or whatever. Changed the tune a little bit, got the trans brake going. Changed the rev limiter sound because I wasn't happy with it. I've upped the fueling a little bit because it just seems to get hot. I removed the air temp cut because I don't know, it just sounded like it was cutting. Don't know, but either way, all I had to do was a skid that big and the tyres will be gone. So we'll do the same thing. Get some tyres roasting. Good, BMW M3 wheels, a gangster. Ready to go, let's go.
A little crazy. I think we need to let a crazy Australian come out here and do a burnout. Who wants to see a burnout? All right, we're ready. 3, 2, 1, let us set it. Good God, this thing can eat a set of tires.
Let's go, Montreal. You can be louder.
Jason Farron absolutely sending those tires on the main straight. Guys, give it up one more time for Jason Farron from Keep It Reet.
Now, tell the crowd a little bit about this car and how it's still able to be doing a burnout after all these years.
Yeah, it's a 1986 Holden VL Commodore, an Aussie icon back home. So as you could imagine, it's insane for one of these to be over here in Canada, probably the one of one. And yeah, they come with a Nissan RB30 straight six. It makes 800 horsepower. It runs a 9-second down the quarter mile. This is the car I basically grew up with. I can compare it with like a Fox body Mustang would be like the American equivalent. But yeah, really cool to have it here. I'm glad I didn't blow it up. She's getting a bit hot and putting some cuts in there because it knows that I would just keep going otherwise. But it's awesome to see the crowd out here absolutely G'ing up. Yeah!
Woo! All right, say it with me. What is she? She's spicy.
Spicy. Well, there you go. Another successful skid. Air temp is high. Coolant temp is not crazy high. It could have kept going. I need to find out what's going on, why it's cutting like that. It's a kind of a hard one without, I probably should have had it logging what's going on. Everyone's struggling with getting their cars really hot. Something to do with the air humidity right now and just there's not much airflow and a really tight circuit. And it's getting quite grippy too. Anyway, Kang excuses. It's a VL, it should do a burnout. I keep letting everyone down and that cuts deep to my soul. We'll have to get it sorted and one day on our American tour, we'll do Australia proud. But I'm pretty happy. We got the tyres absolutely cooking for a little bit there. Stoked to get the car out there and get on the live stream. It was very cool and surreal. VL Turbo on Canadian soil this time around. Anyway, I'm going to close the video out there. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a pretty cool one. And yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and keep in touch with all our future updates. And if you see us at an event, come grab some merch, come say good day, and let's have a good time. See you on the next one.